Introduction. Resistor. It is an electric wire which offers resistance to the flow of current through it. Its unit is ohm. Resistance. When the electrons are flowing through a wire, it collides with the atoms of the wire. Due to this collision, the electron speed of flowing gets disturbed and it also loses the energy in the form of heat energy. This obstruction for the flow of electrons is called resistance. Real-time example. Resistor is used to increasing or decreasing flow of current in a closed circuit. Resistor is widely used in all electronic components. Apparatus required. Two resistors of different value. Example, R1 1 ohm, R2 2 ohm. Battery, ammeter, key, connecting wires and voltmeter. Procedure. Make the connections according to the circuit diagram. Power on the battery and give three different input. Record the ammeter reading and the voltmeter reading. Measure the potential difference across the first resistor. Let it be V1. Similarly, measure the potential difference across the second resistor separately. Let the value be V2. Place the values in the observation table.